Top 5 Best Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Cuisinart 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗏𝗲𝗄𝗡 NAS 8-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Crispy fries, golden toast, and juicy chicken, all from one countertop marvel. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven isn't just another appliance, it's your kitchen's multitasking powerhouse. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results without the guilt. With 8-in-1 versatility, air fry, convection bake, broil, warm, and more, it outperforms single-function rivals. Its 1800W heating element delivers rapid, even cooking in a compact 0.6 cubic feet, ideal for small spaces. The 60-minute timer and intuitive controls make precision effortless. Unlike bulky air fryers that hog counter space, this stainless steel workhorse combines sleek design with serious performance. Reheat leftovers, crisp up wings, or bake a personal pizza, all with less oil and zero hassle. True, it won't replace your full-size oven for large roasts, but for everyday versatility? It's unmatched. Upgrade your kitchen game, without the clutter. The 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗏𝗲𝗃 NAS doesn't just cook. It transforms how you eat. Number 4. Kalorik MAXX 26-quart 10-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. Crispy fries, golden rotisserie chicken, and fluffy cakes, all without drowning in oil? Meet the Kalorik MAXX Air Fryer Oven. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a 10-in-1 culinary powerhouse designed for busy families, meal preppers, and flavor chasers who refuse to compromise. With 26 quarts of smart space, stainless steel durability, and 1,700 watts of precision heat, it outperforms bulky air fryers and underwhelming toaster ovens. The large glass French doors let you monitor cooking without losing heat, something most competitors overlook. Plus, 9 included accessories mean you're ready to bake, roast, dehydrate, and more right out of the box. It's faster, cleaner, and delivers restaurant-quality results at home. Sure, it needs counter space, and the learning curve rewards patience, but once you master it, ordinary cooking feels obsolete. This is the upgrade your kitchen's been waiting for. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 31403 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗏𝗏𝗃 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Crispy, golden perfection, without the guilt. That's what this Hamilton Beach 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗏𝗏𝗃 delivers every time. Ideal for busy professionals, small families, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home, this stainless steel powerhouse combines air frying and toasting in one sleek unit. Unlike bulky countertop ovens, it fits a 9-inch pizza and handles 4 slices with ease, thanks to powerful convection circulation that locks in flavor and crisps evenly. No more soggy fries or uneven browning, just consistent, delicious results. The auto shutoff adds peace of mind, while the compact design saves precious counter space. Whether you're reheating leftovers or whipping up a quick snack, it's fast, efficient, and built to last. Sure, it won't replace a full-sized oven for large meals, but for everyday versatility? It's unmatched. Upgrade your kitchen routine, without the hassle, without the compromise. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse 26-QT French Door Air Fryer Oven. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's your countertop command center. Meet the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven, a 26-quart powerhouse with 24 cooking functions, digital precision, and a sleek stainless steel finish that looks as good as it performs. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone tired of juggling multiple appliances. Unlike cramped air fryers, this spacious combo roasts whole chickens, bakes artisan bread, and air fries crispy wings, all with one-touch ease. 7 included accessories mean you're ready to cook right out of the box. The French doors open smoothly, saving space and adding elegance, while rapid convection ensures even browning and juicy interiors. Sure, its generous size demands counter real estate, but that's the trade-off for unmatched versatility. When flavor, speed, and style matter, this isn't an upgrade, it's a revolution. Number 1. Ninja SP151 8-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Crispy, golden fries without a drop of oil? That's not magic, it's the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, and anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home. With 8-in-1 functionality, it air fries, toasts, bakes, broils, dehydrates, and more, replacing multiple appliances in one sleek, stainless steel powerhouse. The flip-up design tucks neatly against your backsplash, freeing up precious counter space. Included accessories: air-fried basket, sheet pan, wire rack, and crumb tray make cleanup effortless. At 1800 watts, it delivers rapid, even cooking with that satisfying crunch you love. While it handles most tasks brilliantly, larger roasts may require strategic placement for optimal airflow. This isn't just an oven, it's your kitchen's new command center. Say goodbye to clutter, guesswork, and greasy messes. Ninja SP151 turns everyday ingredients into crave-worthy meals, fast. Your taste buds, and your countertop, will thank you. Thanks for watching Best Air Fryer Toaster Oven. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.